This is a quick overview of WordPress and some of the things that you can do with this content management system. Now, WordPress comes in two flavors. The easiest to get into is wordpress.com, and all you have to do is register and start blogging. This is a free service, and all your posts and everything are stored on their servers, so you don't have to worry about a domain name or a web server. For the more sophisticated, the more technically oriented, there's WordPress.org, and you can download a copy of WordPress, which is open source, and you can install it on your server and maintain all your documents on your own hosting server. Also, many servers such as Bluehost, HostGator, all the big name hosting services, they all have WordPress that you can install at the click of a button. So if somebody has a domain and they want their own WordPress, they can just click the button and it will install automatically. No matter which flavor WordPress you use, if you log in as admin, which is the blog address plus wp-admin, or you just log in on wordpress.com, you come up with the dashboard, and the dashboard is where you have control of your website. So some of the things I'll show you is how to edit posts. I'll show you how to quickly change the appearance with using different themes. We'll take a look at widgets, plugins, and we'll add a slideshow. I'll also show you how individual pages can be made, and those can be added to menu items. So the first, what I usually do is I have my admin set up, and then I have in another browser I look at my actual website. So the main thing of a blog is the posts, so we can go into the admin area, and then these are all my postings, and it's really easy just to add a new post. You can see I can highlight these. I can change my, whoops, I'm sorry, let me go into my visual view. I can highlight these, and it's just like I'm working in Word. I can also put in some headlines and a bulleted list. So it's the basic editing pieces that most people are familiar with. And of course I can quickly change that as well. Again, if the person is more technically oriented, they can go into the text area, and then they can see this is the standard HTML, and people can change the HTML, and then it'll reflect back here. As soon as I have that ready, I can click on Publish. And if I go over to my active website and change and refresh it, then this is my test posting. Now, if I want to go in and edit that post, I can just make sure I'm in my posting in my dashboard. Go to Edit. If I want to add a graphic, I can go into my Add Media. I can download media, or I can add whatever picture that I've downloaded previously. And I can also edit it, change the size, do whatever I want. You can see I put my alternate text in, update. So that's the basic. And here's my refresh page. I forgot to publish. So I'll update my posting. I go over, look at my live site, and there you can see the changes. Now, we can also quickly change the appearance of the site by going to themes, and so I can activate this theme here, and then when I refresh my page, this is my new theme. It's real easy to get new themes. You can go out here and install themes. You can search for what you want and find the themes and basically install them. So if I like this theme here, I can install it. Activate it. And when I look at my live site, there's my new appearance. Advanced students can also go in and edit these things with CSS to change the appearance. So I'm going to go back to my admired theme. On a theme, you can also change the widgets. And the widgets are pre-written components that you can basically click and drag out here. So if I wanted to do calendar, here's a calendar. I can put a calendar out here. I'll save it. And then out of my live site, I have a calendar. And I can arrange these where I want to. Here you can see the widget for recent articles. Here's a widget on our authors and our tag cloud. So there's lots of widgets out here that we can have. Similar to themes, you can get plugins. And again, it's real easy to add new plugins. Plugins are code that other people have written that add to WordPress. So let's just look for slideshow. And these are all free resources that people have written. And you can see they're rated by the people that are using them. So I usually look for a more advanced version number with 5 stars. I read to see if it's what I want, and then I basically can install it. So here's one with an advanced slide number. Looks pretty good. I'll install it. And here you can see my slideshow. I'd have to read more to find out exactly how to use it, so I could visit the plugin site. But you can see how easy it is to install these plugins. Probably a lot of use to people doing a portfolio would be Pages. And you can create a new page. And I could publish it. Then if I go into Appearance and Menus, then I can add this to my menu. So here's my test page, and I can put it wherever I want. So I'll put it right after Presentations. Save my menu. And when I go back to my main page, here's my test page. And would have all my things. There's also a widget where you can have the pages listed on the side. So that about wraps it up. I showed you how to do posts, how to change the appearance, how to add plugins, as well as creating pages and menu items to those pages.